Alright, so we got the 4-door hooked up, got it back here. This car, I'm still got an idling issue and I can't figure it out. I don't know what's going on with it, but we'll figure it out eventually. We did get some new headlights for the 4-door, so we're going to slam these in and then see what's up. So they're nothing really special, they're just a DNA motoring eBay headlights, but they're clear, they look good. I like the fact that they're blacked out, so that'll be cool, because eventually this car is going to eventually get painted. That's basically the last thing that needs to happen to it. It needs to get painted, and I'm gonna actually have to spray some stuff on here because this is starting to kind of rust through a little bit. Keep that from happening, we're gonna have to throw some paint on it. So I don't know, that's something coming up too. It looks so much better. So the one thing I had to do, I had to take out the front grille thing, and then I had to drop this and drop the edge there. So pretty much almost remove the front bumper. So pretty much there's a bolt here, here, and one down there. On the new ones, the bracket down here you can put a bolt into, which this one was missing, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, it's in there good, it's not going anywhere. So we'll do the other one and then I'll show you what the finished product looks like. Alright, so they're looking good. Got them installed. Got a little tweaking to do on them. I got to get the front bolts fixed and then kind of line them up a little bit better, but for the most part they are good to go and they seem to work great, so we're good. Alright, you guys take it easy. Peace out.